Welcome to the Audiobook channel, Best Books Club, for an in-depth look at the sci-fiction novel Lightbringer by Pierce Brown. Lightbringer is the fourth book in the Red Rising series and was published in 2019. The story follows the protagonist, Darrow, as he tries to overthrow the corrupt government of the society. Darrow is a red, the lowest color of society. He has undergone surgery to make him appear gold, the highest color, and infiltrate their society to bring about change from within. In Lightbringer, we see Darrow at his lowest point. After the events of the previous book, he has lost everything and is struggling to come to terms with the consequences of his actions. Meanwhile, the Jackal and Aya have consolidated their power and are working to eliminate any threats to their rule. The story is set against the backdrop of a massive war between the different colors of society. The fighting is intense and brutal, with both sides suffering heavy losses. However, Mustang and Darrow are determined to fight back. They rally their allies and begin planning their attack on the society. The Howler plays an instrumental role in the book, providing Darrow with the crucial intelligence he needs to bring down the society. The final battle is epic and intense, with both sides fighting to the death. However, in the end, Darrow's army emerges victorious. Darrow finally succeeds in overthrowing the society and ushering in a new era of equality. That brings to the end of Lightbringer by Pierce Brown. This book is an action-packed, thrilling conclusion to the Red Rising series. Pick up a copy today and join in the adventure. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for next episode for another exciting book. Make sure to comment, share, like and subscribe the channel, Best Books Club.